Hi everyone, my name is Bibin Thomas. Today I am going to talk about CPD portfolio presentation, and my student ID is 120842641. It's an overview. Today I am going to talk about introduction, overview of professional experience, CPD record sheet, articulate of experience that I put 9 experience anyway, summative mapping and reflection against ES competencies, conclusion, and if you have any question, then you can ask. This is my resume. I have put all the details like degree and bachelor degree, master degree, and contact number, everything. Overview of professional development. Totally, I have completed 7 units and I claimed 120 hours CPD hours. And in internship, I have completed 360 hours. And I have published one international journal and have claimed 180 CPD hours. So overview 498 hours I have claimed. This is a CPD record sheet. Totally, I just completed 7 units, so I claimed like 18 hours, 17 hours in each. So I have mentioned here the months which have been started, on dates as well, and on what date have been completed. I put all the details here. So this is the same thing. And yep, this is a planning section. This is sustainability studio, which have we completed. I have claimed 16 hours. And implementation, first I have done planning, and after that I have done implementation on that. So I have claimed 20 hours over that. And internship, it is going, so I have claimed 360 hours. And I have published a international journal, which is the topic is which have work on that is lathe attachment for gear manufacturing, which I have claimed 18 hours. First, my unit name is thermofluid engineering application, which I have already passed in that unit, and I have done a project in that, which is design HVAC system in a team. So I have mentioned here what the description, analysis, reflection, what I have been learned in that. It helps me a lot anyway. And second one is Australian engineering practice. In that, how I got credit in that, and this is schematic diagram of CNG engineering. In that, I put some description, analysis, reflection. Third one is advanced modeling, simulation, and control of dynamic system. In that, I have been passed this unit. So in that, I have done 2 projects. First is mathematics schematic of a quad bike. In first project, I have done 1 degree of freedom, and second one I have done 2 degree of freedom, and then I simulate that one. I got a result. And next, fourth one experience is fluid power engineering and control. In that, I got distinction. In that, I have shown a result as evidence and a result of a project, which is displacement of valve versus time. I have done in that I have done a project which is a cylinder. I have designed a cylinder in a team, which is a forklift cylinder. Next one, engineering project planning. In that, first I have planned, I have go through all the literature reviews and make aim, objective, methodology in planning section. And my topic is like um, organic and inorganic phase change material. In that I have to analyze velocity, temperature, pressure counters in ANSYS software. So I have selected in organic, I have selected paraffin wax, and inorganic, I have selected salt hydrate, which I gone through all the literature review. In that, I got two materials, which is quite good. Next, sustainability studio. In that, I got credit, and in that, I have done a project with a team. So I have to analyze climate change in Victoria, like temperature and everything. So we have gone through lots of articles and made a project in that. And this is my engineering research project planning. In that, I have this one is the organic velocity counter, which I got result after doing design modeler and messing the object like a concentric pipe. This is a concentric pipe. It's on the inner one, which we can show that it's changing. Yep, velocity is changing from inlet to outlet HTF, heat transfer fluid. Next one is internship work experience. In that, I have to do assets management of mechanical, electrical, fire, and lift. And we have to go to plants and we have to assets like it is there or not according to the mapping. If it's not, we have to mention that. After that, our project is we have to put a tag on each asset so that if the maintenance is going on, so the management can get the information what actually maintenance people is doing on the site. They will scan the PD. They have the PD, so they can maintenance people can get the information what actually they want to do in that equipment. Yeah. So we have to finally we have to put all the barcode in each assets after assetting each equipment. This is a journal which I have put in a I have published in a journal. My paper ID is 4722. If you want, you can go through it. The topic is lathe attachment for gear manufacturing, and I have done in a team. This is summative mapping. First theory understanding, whatever theory I understand, I put the evidence as well. Mathematical understanding, that also I put some evidence. Depth understanding, knowledge of contextual factors, understanding of norms. In each I have put the evidence as well. This engineering application ability, which is fluent application, established engineering methods, systematic approach, systematic engineering. I put some evidence in that as well. This one is the professional and personal attributes, ethical contents and professional accountability. In that, I have gone through the Australian engineering practice unit, and I put the evidence as well. Mathematical understanding, lots of units were there which I have done mathematically and calculate for the before designing anything. We have to calculate, we have to uh, put something so that we can make it. Next one is effective oral and written communication. When we are doing with any project with a team, it's mandatory that communication skill is good. Oral also is good. Verbally is also good. So I have put the evidence as well. Conclusion: successfully accomplished 480 plus CPD hours, expanded some non-technical skill like management, time management, professional communication skill, learn various tools and mechanical engineer, developing technical skill in internship. Thank you. Thanks for listening.